Good morning, children. Today I am going to teach you computer from your annual syllabus. I am taking for 8th chapter. The chapter name is lesson 8. The chapter name is MS Excel presenting data in charts. Okay, children. So what is chart? Chart, a pictorial representation of data, is known as chart. Means a graphical representation of data is known as chart. Okay. It allows to illustrate the data in graphics form. A chart displays series of numeric data in graphical format by using elements such as columns and lines. So a chart has many elements like legend, series, data series, titles, axes, etc. So let's take how many types of chart? Types of chart. First is column chart. Column chart means vertical columns. Okay, children? Column chart means vertical column. A column chart displays the data in form of vertical columns. Clear? It is typically displays categories along with horizontal axis and values along with vertical axis. See, this is the column chart. Okay, children? Okay? Like this. Column. This is column. And next topic is line chart. Line chart means line connecting dots. Means line chart is plotted in a form of line with connecting dots. It displays the categories along with horizontal axis and value along the vertical axis. It shows the continuous data trend over a period of time. Clear, children? Next topic is pie chart. Pie chart, what is pie chart? Pie chart shows the data in form of circle that shows the size of item in one data size proportional to sum of the items. See, this is the pie chart. Okay, children? Pie chart. Pie chart in a form of circle. Okay, and these are the parts of pie chart. How many? This is the data. All the rectangles is known as data in circle. Okay, children? All the triangles is known as data. Okay, and the size of triangles is depend upon the size of data. Clear? Next is bar chart. Bar chart. Horizontal bar. What is bar chart? Bar chart displays data in form of horizontal bars. It displays categories along the vertical axis and values along the horizontal axis. Clear? Next is area chart. Area chart. Area chart means an area. Okay. So area chart displays the data in a form of area. It is used to show magnitude change the time over time. See, this is the area chart. Area chart, and all the data like red and blue data is shows by the area. Okay. Next is X and Y scatter chart. X and Y scatter chart is used to show the correlation between two sets of values. A scatter chart has two values, horizontal axis and vertical axis. It combines X and Y values into a single data points and shows them in in intervals or clusters. This is the X and Y scatter chart. This is the. Okay, children? These are some important charts in your chapter. And next topic is components of chart. Components of chart. How many components chart? There are some different kinds of component, 8 components in a chart. First is chart area. Chart area, see the picture with students? Chart area, okay. So, chart area. This area is known as most outer area is known as first point is known as chart area. Okay, children, and all the elements are plotted on the chart area. Next is x-axis category. X-axis category means this one. X-axis category, and this is the y-axis category. Okay, children, x-axis category and y-axis category. And axis title. Axis title means what title you want to give here. This is the axis title, x-axis title, and this is the y-axis title, and this is the chart title. Clear, children? This is the chart title. Chart title, x-axis title, and y-axis title. There are 3 kinds of title. Okay. Next is plot area. Plot area is area of the chart bounded by the axis. So this area is known as plot area. Clear, children? This area is known as chart area. Data series. Data series means whatever bars shows the data is known as data series. Like these bars shows the data series. Clear? 6 point. Represent of the data in form of bars. Other element. Legend means these are squares, small squares, and this shows the content of the chart. Okay, data of the chart. So in form of different colors squares. Okay, so this is known as legend. Next is chart title. Chart title, the total title of this, suppose mark sheet. Okay, so mark sheet of class 10th, then mark sheet of class 6. This is the chart title, and one side, x-axis side, you just show the students, and one side show the marks of the student. Okay, so this is you can make the chart by this method. Next topic is creating a chart. Next topic is creating a chart. By this topic, you can create a chart. So, first of all, how to create a chart? Click on data, select the location and data, whatever you want to convert in chart, and click on insert tab, then chart, then select the chart subtype, and from the drop down list, for example, column chart. Okay, then your chart is plotted in this screen. Clear, children? So next is moving and resizing the chart. By this, when you click on the chart, then 4-headed arrow will show to you, and when you click and drag the chart over the chart area, then your chart will be moved. Okay, so this is the moving and resizing the chart. Clear? Next topic is changing chart type. Changing chart type, you can change the chart type by chart tool, design and format tabs on the ribbon. Okay, see the picture of design and format. Design. Okay, when you click on design, then design and format option will be appear, and chart types, different kinds of chart, you can change the chart type. Clear, children? So in next topic is changing the chart style. When you click on the chart tool, design and format appear on the ribbon tab, then click on desired design tab, then choose the different chart style. See, there is a different chart style, and you can change the chart style by this design and format tab. Okay, so this is your 8th chapter, and I provide you PDF work with this chapter. Okay, and I will also provide you some practical work with this chapter. in next class. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself.